Welcome to Monticello Motor Club, the most exclusive private track in the Northeast. Located on Victory Lane, about 2 hours outside New York City. In this video, the supercars and hypercars owners keep at the club in the cars in the paddock. A full lap in the Lotus Emira and the Apex Across America score for this track. Plus, a bonus at the end, a side-by-side lap, Emira versus my Porsche 911S, to see the speed difference. That's the club's pace car, and a whole grid of Radical Cup race cars, classic Porsches and Ferraris, a rare Jaguar XJR-15, one of only 53 ever made, and my favorite, rarer still, one of just 25 ever built, the McLaren Solus GT. I made a whole video on this car. Check it out on the channel, and if you're enjoying the channel, please subscribe and give this a thumbs up. Let's head over to the paddock and get out on track. But first, a look at what's running with me today. Some very special Porsches and road cars from BMW. The fastest car out on track today was the new Corvette ZR1. The ZR1 sounded amazing. If you need to rent a car, the club has a close relationship with BMW and offers rental M3s. We started the track session with a driver safety briefing. I got geared up and drove through the paddock to head out on track. A thumbs up to the starter, he's confirming no one's coming down the front straight, heading out for warm-up laps, and staying inside the white blend line. After a few warm-up laps, let's get started. The lap starts now. 4.1 miles, 15 turns, and 450 feet of elevation change in the Catskills. Hard braking into Montreal, named after the opening corners of the Canadian Grand Prix. A quick left, then back around the hairpin. Lofts, a sweeping right-hander. Get it right, and it is nearly flat out. This is patience. It keeps tightening as you commit. Slow in, late apex. Prudence is a balancing act. Entry speed against the drive up the hill toward the Carousel. The Carousel, one of Monticello's signature corners. A long, banked 180. Uphill in, loaded up, through the middle, downhill out. Pine Tree, a sharp double apex right. Nail both apexes, and it's one of the most satisfying corners on the track. Hangar, a 90-degree right, named for this property's past life as an airport. It feeds the longest straight, so the exit is everything. Flat out down the back straight. And through the kink, a gentle downhill bend the quickest drivers take without lifting. This is the fastest stretch of the whole track. Getting up to about 140 miles an hour on this straight. Big uphill braking zone into Switchback. Right, left, right, up and over the crest. Turn 10 flat out, and the run up to the fastest corners here. Kryptos, probably the most famous corner here, a blind, cresting, downhill, left, right. You commit before you can see the exit. hard on the brakes from big speed into the hairpin. It's banked, and it climbs uphill through the middle, so it rewards attacking it. Turn 13, a double apex left with a blind, off-camber, downhill exit. Easy to get greedy here. The track falls away into 14, blind, and downhill. Late apex to set up the last corner. Last one, turn 15. Balance the entry because exit speed here carries you all the way down the front straight. And across the line. 247.07. With the lap complete, let's head over to apexacrossamerica.com and score this track. This track has an excellent design and is a ton of fun to drive, so I am rating it a 9. Safety. Excellent. With F1 style flag light panels all the way around, that's an 8. The campus is one of the best you will find at any track, with its country club feel, which earns the campus a score of 10. And location. Beautiful, nestled in the rolling hills of the Catskills. Only 90 miles from New York City a 9. That's a total of 36, one of the highest scores yet in our quest to experience and drive every track in America. As promised, here is the side-by-side lap. Lotus Emira on the left, Porsche 911S on the right. Watch how much harder the Porsche accelerates off the corners, even though the Emira sometimes carries more speed through them. Thanks for staying until the end. If you enjoyed it, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. See you at the next track.